850 North Milwaukee. What the hell? Why is there a sign telling people not to pee? I wonder what the genesis of that is. Oh, these are older. Oh, huh. This honestly might be a Westinghouse. I think it just nudged. Yeah, I honestly think these might be, this might be a Westinghouse. I like this lantern. That's neat. I've not seen something like that on a... Oh, you can spin it. Nice. All right, up to 2. Oh look, they got the old electric eye. Check that out. Does it work? Nope, they don't work. There's your panel. Your certificate. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. These really could be early Schindler or late Westinghouse. It's hard to tell, but if I can go online and see the installation date, that could probably give me a better idea. These are kind of neat, honestly, for what they are. Anyway, that's it.